Hey guys, it's Mike. It's about 11:45 on Saturday night. We just had about a 20-mile-an-hour wind gust kick up. I'm here on Center Ridge Road, and it's pretty snowy out here. I bet you there'll be a foot for sure. It was about as bad as they said it was going to be, which was good. Because if it wasn't, I would have wanted my money back. Not many people out, so it kind of makes it easy. It was a little bit of a walk from my house to here, but you know, we get it done. Usually this road would be a little bit busier than this at this time of night, but not today. Not today. Actually, the road that I walked down, I'll show you it over here, wasn't actually too bad. You just walk in the street, take your time. You'll be alright. You think, how much fuel do you think we go through when it comes to, you know, removing snow? I mean, it just takes a ton of energy. The whole thing is just a ton of energy. All this weather system, this is so much energy here, and then all the energy to remove it, it just takes an absolute ton of energy to clean up and manage all this snow. It's crazy if you ever thought about it.